Welcome to your English Online. My name is Bojana and I am an English teacher from Belgrade, Serbia. I teach English in my own language school here in Belgrade, but I also teach online. For those of you interested, you can contact me, you can send me a message. This is my phone number, +381 62 8950866, or send me an email. My name, Bojana Basta Damjanović @gmail.com. Please contact me so we can arrange your English online classes where you can practice your communication skills. These short lessons are here to get you started. So the first lesson today will be about present simple tense, okay? Present simple tense. For example, I live in Belgrade. I don't live in London. I don't live in America. I live in Belgrade. Okay? I live in, and then say where. I live in Belgrade. I don't live in London. I live in Belgrade. Do you live in Belgrade? No, you don't. Do you live in America? No, you don't. Where? Where? Where do you live? Question, Question. Where do you live? I live in Belgrade. I live in Serbia. Where do you live? Okay. Next. I work. I work in my own language school. I am a teacher. I work in school. Do you work in school? Do you work in a bank? Do you work in a supermarket? Where? Where? Where do you work? Where do you work? I work in my own language school. I don't work in a bank. Where do you work? Okay, next. I drive a car. I drive a car to work every day. I drive a car. Do you drive a car? I don't drive a motorcycle. I don't drive a motorcycle. Do you drive a motorcycle? No, you don't. You drive a car too. Okay, so for positive statements, take a word. Live, work, drive, have, and many more. And say I live, I work, I drive, I have. Okay? Present simple tense. Okay? For negative, no. You say don't. I don't live in London. I don't work in a bank. I don't drive a car. I don't have 3 children. Okay? You live in London. You work in a bank. You drive a car. Okay? You don't work in a bank. You don't have a problem. Good. We have our first online English class. We have a problem. We drive a car. Okay? They work in a bank. They don't live in Belgrade. I, you, we, they live, work, drive, have, and so on. For negative, don't. But for third person, okay, third person singular, she, he, it, you must add one S, okay? She lives in London. He drives a car. It works. It works. Okay. So, I work, you work, he, she works. I drive, you drive, he, she drives. Okay? Negative, doesn't. Okay? Doesn't. She doesn't live in London. He doesn't drive a car. It doesn't work. Okay? So present simple tense. Very simple, right? I have a job. I don't have a job. You live in Belgrade. You don't live in Belgrade. But for third person singular, you must add one S, okay? She drives a car. He works in a bank. He doesn't work in school. She doesn't drive a car, okay? Thanks for watching and see you again soon. Bye!